Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be changing the power steering fluid on this Chevrolet Aveo. This particular model is 2010, and the way we're going to change it is that we're going to drain the power steering bottle completely, and then we're going to refill it. Once we refill it with the fresh power steering fluid, which is here, we're using Carlu make. It's ATFQ automatic transmission fluid. So it's the same fluid which is used for both power steering fluid as well as the automatic transmission fluid. So what we're going to do is, as I mentioned before, we're going to empty the existing fluid out from this reservoir, and then refill it with the fresh power steering fluid. And what we're going to do is we're going to start the car up, do a couple of turns right left on the steering wheel. So we're going to repeat this procedure till we get the clean fluid back into the system. So we're going to use a syringe to pump the old fluid out of the bottle. There we go. You can tell how dirty it is. It's gone dark brownish color, so the normal color should be red. So this is the fluid here. Just going to show you the bottle. It's almost empty. Here we go. We have sucked out all the old power steering fluid out of this reservoir. So now we're gonna pour the fresh fluid in. Right, so just gonna show you how the old one looks as compared to the new one. So we're gonna pour the new power steering fluid into the glass to show you the difference. So we're gonna fill it up to the max level. Then we're gonna put the cap back on, and we're gonna start the car up and do a couple of turns to the left and to the right for the fluid to circulate into the system. We're gonna do a couple of turns left, right on the steering wheel. Make sure that all the fluid is circulating nicely. Then we're gonna suck all the fluid out from this bottle, and gonna pour some more fluid in the bottle. So this is the second time we're gonna suck the oil out from the bottle with this syringe. Already looking good. So this is the second time we are filling the reservoir. There we go. Just gonna put the cap back on and gonna repeat the procedure again. Gonna start the car up, do a couple of turns left and right on the steering wheel. So we're gonna suck out all the fluid again. So this is the third time we're gonna suck out the fluid with the syringe. The results are already improving by looking at the color of the fluid. Right, so just gonna pour the fluid again. So we have gone through 1 liters of power steering fluid already. So we're gonna repeat this procedure a couple of times, and then hopefully gonna achieve the results. So what we're doing here is that we're doing full lock left, full lock right for the fluid to circulate nicely. Right, there we go friends. We have repeated the procedure 5 times. So this time what we're gonna do is we're gonna suck out all the fluid out of the bottle, and this is gonna be the last time we're gonna pour the fresh fluid into the car. So we're gonna take it to max, refit the cap, start the engine, do a couple of turns, and then we're gonna take a little bit sample out from the bottle and show you the before and after results. So we're gonna take out a little bit of power steering fluid. We're gonna pour it in the cup and we're gonna compare it with the before and after results. There we go. It looks nice and clean now. Right, here we go friends, we've got the before and after results of the fluid quality. So that was the fluid we sucked out to start off with. Then this is the second one, this was the third one, then we didn't capture the two. So this is the sixth time we filled the system up with the power steering fluid, and the results are there for you. We are already experiencing the difference when we turn the steering wheel right to left and left to right. It's a lot more smoother, and there is noise reduction as well. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you very much for watching the video.